Well, let's get this over with. I have to go down and look over the new deer.
Ho, 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 ho. We are Santa's elves.
Welcome everyone. It's Christmas time again, and this year we're going to talk about Santa Claus and his reindeer. I've, looked at this question for a number of years and never quite put this in the proper context in my mind because, in part, Santa Claus is such a nice guy.
Santa.
And smart, too. Great bouncing iceberg.
And reindeer are, well, such cute and fuzzy things.
I think you're cute. I'm cute.
Magnificent.
I'm cute.
But there's an older telling to this whole thing that was recently covered in a video by Robert Sepper. And in that video, he talks about the original celebration being not with lovable reindeer, but these quite ominous looking goats.
Which brings us to Krampus, the half-man, half-goat counterpart to St. Nicholas that has been associated with winter folklore in parts of Europe stemming from pre-Christian Alpine traditions. The etymology is thought to come from the Bavarian Krammen, meaning dead or rotten, and its role has become to punish bad children or scare them into being good, often by threatening to carry them off in a sack to eat them.
Let's look at this sort of from an astrology standpoint. If we begin simply with Sagittarius and the arrow representing, for example, the staff of Aaron, what else is extending the staff of Aaron than the firing of an arrow into something? And so the astrology of it is talking about how right around what we now recognize as the 22nd of November, a staff, a connection, an arrow was shot to the earth. The next thing that happened was Capricorn, or the goat, or Venus, ramming the earth.
At this point, Christmas continued to overtake Yule, although some vestiges of the original celebration remain, such as the Yule goat, an animal that pulled Thor's chariot and is now considered by many to be a companion or counterpart to Santa Claus. In towns and cities throughout Sweden during the Christmas season, large goats are constructed out of straw.
This is why the goats of this celebration are so ominous looking. I mean, imagine the terror of being alive during the Venus apocalypse. Just imagine how incredibly terrifying that would be. And that is why these goats are so terrifying. Now, packaged right behind the goats, however, is this jolly guy in this red pointed hat. And that red pointed hat is describing that discharge that separated the Red Sea. The discharge is encoded in the red worn by Santa Claus. And the gifts that are presented to us by Santa Claus every year that we recognize.
Well, here goes. And that's how he started going down chimneys.
Oh, now I understand.
That's fun. What a great job I've got.
The gifts were our freedom from the enslavement of the pharaohs. And every year we recognized more and more gifts of being free of that system of Atlantis. Don't forget to click that like, share, and subscribe button, and leave me your comments down below. Happy holidays, everyone. Peace out.